very hot man. So, ooh, how are you, Micah? How are you, Micah? How are you? How are you, Micah? How are you, Ate Ashley? Ate Mesa, Ate Mesa. Okay, let's go talk. Micah, Micah, you're very. I told you not to jump so much with Mommy, don't? I told you, no jumping, no jumping. Very playful kasi. Hoy, Micah, Micah, Ate Mesa, Ate Mesa, Ate Mesa, let's talk, Ate Mesa. Ay, ginoo ko. Playful ka na silang diba? Niya ang usa ka Ate Ashley kay dili ganahan mugawas. Ganahan sa sofa. Pag mugawas gani siya unya mainit dayon balik din siya. Ay siya. Di siya ganahan og init. So ganahan siya kumus-kumusot. Ate Mesa. Ay, okay, let mommy remove the boots. Okay, boots, remove. Boots, remove. Okay, mommy need to go inside na the house. Mommy need to go inside the house na. Okay, let's go. There's no patrol scoops. So I can put that. Oh, inside. Let's go na, babay na. Say babay to everybody, beautiful people. Tell beautiful people. Hi! Wala na ay manok. Tell, bye-bye everyone! Bye-bye beautiful people! Hi! Say, bye-bye everyone! Bye-bye sa cameraman good. Aray! Ayaw, ging. Don't jump, ging. Matulog. I love this every morning. This is like, washing. Happy Friday. Tell happy Friday. Luwag na kaya akong shorts. Happy Friday to you. Bye.